Yes, all 20 are moving naturally. This behavior is exactly what we're documenting.
Handle it slowly. Keep the movement calm.
These snakes are highly active today. The jungle conditions are...
Yes, the snake is secure. Guide it into the box.
Understood. This one is going in safely.
All boxes are secure. Loading is complete.
Confirmed. The truck is ready for transport.
Bring the boxes down one at a time.
Copy that. Unloading slowly and safely.
Keep the water pressure low and steady.
Pressure is controlled. The snake looks calm.
Washing phase is complete. They're ready for the next step.
Confirmed. All snakes are clean and stable.
Make sure every section is evenly rinsed.
Understood. Moving to the next area slowly.
Temperature is holding perfectly. Good. Keep it exactly at this level.
Drying phase complete. Conditions are perfect.
Confirmed. All snakes are fully dry and stable.
All snake data has been successfully recorded.
Initiate the full-body holographic scan.
Scan is active. All readings are stable.
The water jets are cleaning them evenly.
Perfect. Let's keep the flow rate steady. The extrusion flow looks perfectly consistent.
Yes, the length and texture are exactly on target.
Maintain equal length on every cut.
Cut size is consistent across the line.
It's ready for the next process.
Phase complete. Quality approved.
Confirmed. All portions meet the standard.
Powdering process complete. Looks perfect.
Confirmed. All pieces are evenly coated.
Keep the output speed constant.
Speed is stable. The strands look uniform.
And the cycle complete. Output quality confirmed.
Confirmed. Everything is running smoothly.
Holding steady. Meat is heating evenly.
Heating complete. Temperature is optimal.
Confirmed. All portions are evenly heated and ready for the next phase.
The powder looks smooth. No excess buildup.
Good. Keep the consistency even across the line.
Ensure the grind size is uniform and consistent.
Grind settings are accurate. Powder is flowing steadily.
Powder collection is complete. Prepare for sealing.
Confirmed. All powder is evenly collected and stored.
All capsules are being sealed correctly.
Good. Keep the pace consistent.
Capsules are filled and sealed. Move them to packaging.
Confirmed. All capsules are ready for the next phase.
Make sure each box is filled to the correct amount.
Confirmed. Each box has the right count of capsules.
All boxes are sealed and labeled.
Good. Prepare them for storage.
All boxes are ready for storage.
Confirmed. All products are secure.
Ensure the labels are correctly aligned and applied.
Labels are perfectly aligned. No issues.
Capsules are labeled and taste test results are in. Ready for final packaging. Washing phase is complete. They're ready for drying.
Confirmed. Everything is clean and stable.
The bones are drying evenly. No hot spots.
Perfect. Let's keep the airflow consistent.
Check the shaping process. Make sure it mimics the snake structure.
The bone segments look great. Perfect consistency.
Each segment is shaping up perfectly. Good. Ensure all pieces maintain the same size and form.
The bone structure is complete. All segments are aligned and ready.
Confirmed. Everything is ready for further processing. Confirmed. No residual moisture.
Pressure is stable. Bone fragments are forming correctly.
The bone fragments are the right size now.
Perfect. No need to adjust the pressure.
Confirmed. All material is processed and collected. Ensure the grind size is fine and consistent.
Grind is perfect. Powder is flowing smoothly.
The powder consistency looks perfect, no clumps.
Great. Keep monitoring the flow.
Powder extraction complete. Containers are ready for storage.
Confirmed. All powder is collected and sealed.
Add the chemicals slowly to ensure even mixing.
Chemical flow rate is steady. Mixing looks uniform.
Test results are coming in. Looks like the chemical mix is stable.
Good. Verify the consistency once more. The mixture is consistent, no chemical lumps.
Great. Keep it at the same rate.
Make sure you are following the exact test procedure for chemical analysis.
Understood. I'm calibrating the instruments now.
All tests are passed. The powder is approved for the next phase.
Confirmed. Everything meets the required standards.
Make sure the color.
The mix is smooth. The color change is consistent.
Great. Let's keep the flow steady.
The color is uniform and consistent, ready for packaging.
Confirmed. The powder is mixed and ready for the next phase.
The bags are sealing perfectly, no leaks.
Great. Keep the pace steady.
Make sure the labels are applied evenly and correctly.
Labels are aligned. Everything is in place.
Ready for storage and shipping.
Confirmed. All bags are properly sealed and ready.
The labels are clean and readable.
Great. Keep the process running smoothly.
Labeling complete. Polybags are ready for the next phase. Confirmed. All bags are properly labeled and in order.
Ensure that each bag is sealed tightly.
Seals are perfect, no leakage. Great. Move them to storage for final inspection.
All boxes are packed, sealed, and ready for the next phase. Confirmed. Pallets are secure and labeled correctly.
Make sure the boxes are stored in the correct sections.
Boxes are organized by batch number, all set for storage.
Everything is labeled correctly and the boxes are in good condition.
Perfect. Let's move them to the loading dock for shipment.
All boxes are loaded and verified, ready for shipment.
Confirmed. The truck is sealed and ready for transport.
Final inspection complete. The skins are ready for packaging.
Confirmed. All skins have the correct pattern and are ready for the next step.
Ensure the skins are processed without tearing.
The machine is running smoothly. Skins are coming out perfectly shaped.
The design looks perfect. The scales are well formed.
Great. Make sure the pattern is consistent on every piece.
Ensure the water temperature is ideal for the skin material.
The water temperature is steady. Washing is even.
The water jets are working perfectly. No pressure issues.
Great. Maintain the flow for even washing.
Washing complete. Skins are clean and ready for drying. Confirmed. No residues left. All skins are clean.
Drying complete. Skins are ready for inspection.
Confirmed. All skins are fully dry and perfect.
Maintain steady airflow and temperature for uniform drying.
Airflow is steady. Skins are drying evenly. Ensure the skins maintain their texture and pattern during shaping.
The shaping is smooth. No distortion to the pattern.
The shapes are consistent. No wrinkling on the skins.
Good. Let's keep the pressure steady. The skins look perfect and shiny.
Confirmed. All skins are polished and ready for the next step.
No streaks or imperfections.
Good. Let's keep it consistent across all skins.
Make sure the image is clear and the design looks crisp.
The image is sharp. The design looks perfect on the screen. Ensure the laser precision is perfect. No over-etching.
The laser is calibrated correctly. The design is precise.
The design is looking great on screen, ready for final approval.
Perfect. Finalize the design and get approval before proceeding.
The laser is etching evenly. The designs are coming out perfect.
Great. Maintain the current settings for consistency. Laser engraving complete. Designs are sharp and flawless.
Confirmed. All pieces are engraved perfectly and ready for the next step.
Shape is molded perfectly, with no distortion to the pattern.
Molding is even. The patterns are staying intact. The covers are shaping perfectly, no issues with the pattern.
Great. Keep the quality consistent.
Ensure there are no defects in the pattern or surface.
The pattern is clean, no flaws or inconsistencies.
Production is complete. All covers are shaped and ready for the next phase.
Confirmed. All covers are perfect and ready for packaging.
All dimensions are within specification. Great. Check the final finish to confirm consistency.
Final checks are done. All covers pass the inspection.
Confirmed. All covers are approved and ready for packaging.
Ensure the covers are secure in their packaging, no shifting during transit.
Covers are packed snugly. Everything is secure. Come to the loading area.
Packaging complete. Everything is ready for shipment.
Confirmed. All products are securely packed. Make sure the boxes are arranged properly for easy retrieval.
Boxes are stacked neat. Stock is organized, and the system is updated.
Good. Keep everything organized for easy shipment preparation.
Storage complete. All products are in place for shipping.
Confirmed. Everything is organized and ready for shipment.
Ensure all boxes are secured tightly. No shifting during transit.
Boxes are arranged securely, ready for shipping.
Great. Make sure all trucks are sealed and ready to go.
All trucks are sealed and verified. They are ready for the road.
Confirmed. All products are loaded and ready for dispatch.
Confirm that all paperwork is signed and the trucks are sealed.
Everything is ready. All paperwork is complete.
Trucks are on their way. Everything is on schedule.
Confirmed. All vehicle factory. The dispatch is complete.
Confirmed. All products are now on their way to customers.
These phone covers are incredible. Look at the detail on the snake pattern.
Yes, they are designed to stand out, and we're glad you like them.
I'll take this one. It's perfect for my phone.
Let's make sure everything is arranged nicely for the display.
The covers are being set up, ready for customers to check out.